Nilight 60005C 20-inch 126W light bar. The Nilight 60005C 20-inch 126W light bar is a high-quality lighting solution suitable for a wide range of applications. With its sleek white color and rectangular shape, it effortlessly blends into any setting while providing ample illumination. Crafted from durable metal with an alloy aluminum finish, this light bar is built to withstand the test of time. The sturdy construction ensures that it can endure various weather conditions and resist corrosion, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with LED light source technology, this light bar offers bright and energy-efficient lighting. The aluminum shade material helps to enhance the light distribution, providing a consistent and uniform illumination. Powered by a corded electric source, the Nilight 60005C light bar ensures a reliable and consistent power supply. It operates at a voltage of 12 volts and has a color temperature of 6,500 Kelvin, delivering a cool,